Welcome to our tutorial on how to activate your Rosie account in Shopify. Let's get started. Once the Rosie app installation is complete, you'll be automatically redirected to the Rosie subscription page on your Shopify dashboard. You can choose the plan that fits your needs. Once you select a plan, it will be highlighted in green, and a message will confirm your purchase. Great. Now that your plan is confirmed, let's head over to the Rosie Services dashboard. On the sidebar of your Shopify dashboard under Apps, click on Rosie.Services, then click the Activate button to activate the Rosie app. Then the Rosie website will show up for you to sign up or log in. If you already have a Rosie account, you can just log in to activate, otherwise you need to sign up first. To sign up, enter your email, first name, last name, and password, then click Register. Once you've signed up, you'll receive an email with verification code. You will need to enter the verification code to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Rosie app on your Shopify store. You're now ready to utilize all the great features that Rosie offers to enhance your online business. Thank you for watching our tutorial on activating your Rosie account in Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy selling!